So if you're doing something tonight outside, you need to find the ways to stay cool.
Exactly.
Maybe it's the night not to be doing things outside.
Well, you know what? Limit your time outside. I said after 8 o'clock, if you really want to go out and do stuff, then that's good. The dangerous heat is starting to taper off for the evening hours. But
bring the water.
You were a kid. Slip and slide or sprinkler?
Sure.
Which one?
Sprinkler.
Oh, I love the slip and slide.
There it is. It's a team.
That's right. Let's go down the beach. Oh, my goodness. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Cape May. Wouldn't you think that it would be nice and beautiful and cool? I mean, they have just literally gotten their sea breeze going. And earlier today, it was in the 90s. It was a cooker down the shore. Look at that. Still people out there enjoying themselves. All right, the next weather to watch. We're going to be watching excessive heat warning continuing for tomorrow. It may even go into Monday. We're watching this air quality alert. It is for tomorrow as well. And severe storms, very possible on Monday. Yeah, we've got like a triple threat going. So down the shore, people still enjoying themselves out there. We've got the sea breeze that's taking the temperatures into the 80s. Earlier they were in the 90s. Let's take a tour and see what the temperature is where you live. In Redding, it's 95. Mount Pocono, it is 86. Lansdale, we're looking at 94 degrees. Westchester, 91 degrees. Let's head over to Trenton, where it's 96. The same in Doylestown. How about Abington at 96 and Mount Holly at 97? And we go into Philadelphia at 97, Mullica Hill 97. To Dover we go, 94 for you. And there are all the shore points now, generally in the upper 80s. So it's been a very hot and sweltering day. Here is what it feels like. It feels like 99 in Philadelphia, 97 in Millville. The feels like heat index is 100 in Dover right now and 85 at Mount Pocono. So did we break a record today? I didn't expect to. The old record 101 in Philadelphia, but so far these are the highs today. 97 in Philadelphia, 94 in Wilmington, 96 in Atlantic City, and 94 in Allentown. No records broken, but tomorrow the record for Philadelphia, also set in 2011, 98 degrees. I think we will probably tie it, break it, and we may even hit the century mark for the first time in a decade. So why is it dangerous heat? Because we have seen much hotter days with this heat wave and much warmer nights. That's why this one is worse than the other two heat waves that we saw. It's also the high dew points. We've got them in the 70s, heat indices from 105 to 110, and it's the length of this heat wave. It will be an 8-day heat wave, so there is a cumulative effect. So this is different than other heat waves. This is a supersized one. We're going to feel like 110 tomorrow in Philadelphia. That will be the heat index. That will be the peak of the heat. Outside we have sunshine, but there are some clouds moving in. They'll bring a little bit of cooling. Some big storms moving across the central and southern part of the state. I think they're going to fizzle out by the time they get to us. Here's what happens over the next 72 hours. The storms are approaching. It's 8 o'clock, but nothing in our area. We are, alas, probably a sprinkle for somebody in the Poconos. But tomorrow, by tomorrow evening, maybe a few isolated storms. And if we get one over the big airport, that will cool it enough so that we do not break a record. But if we don't get one there, I think we definitely do see the heat. Now we go into Monday. In the morning, these storms look like they were going to be pushed to the afternoon, but a cold front could drive storms into the area. Some of these could be severe storms rolling throughout the day, so we have to keep an eye to the sky for that. We are under the slight risk for severe weather on Monday. That's yellow. When they put us in this 3 days ahead of time, it's a pretty big deal, and it's something that we have to keep an eye on. So 99 tomorrow, 94 Monday. We see the severe storms roll in, and then we get a break, 88, where we should be. But guess what? Right back to the 90s for Wednesday and Thursday, Joe.